All right. Today, part two of our designing a t-shirt tutorial. Um, so in this part, I'll show you how to take this vector image and test it out on some different t-shirt colors so that you can see which one you like best. Um, so first, let's just save this thing as a PNG because most of the web programs like that file type better. So I'm going to go in Illustrator here. I go File, Export for Screens. And I'm just going to rename this instead of Artboard 1. Let's call it Lion Black. And let's save this on the desktop. Maybe put it in a folder, Lion Shirt. Okay. And that's it. We'll do just 1 times. Well, let's do it 2 times. That means it'll double the size of it. Okay, export. So now it is in that folder on the desktop. Let's go find that to make sure. Okay, here's our folder, Lion Shirt. And where did that open? I don't know, I don't see it. It's opening someplace else on one of my other screens. Lion Shirt, there it is. Okay, next I'm going to go to this website, Custom Ink. This is usually the first thing that comes up when you search make your own t-shirt or that kind of thing. Not that I'm going to order the t-shirt from them because it's pretty expensive, especially if you're only getting one made. But they've got all kinds of colors of shirts, so we're just using this to test out the colors. So go to short sleeve t-shirts or whatever it is that you might want to use and choose any one of these. And let's go here, start designing. New. Okay, so if we want a white t-shirt, that's easy. Let's just go to add art. Oh, no. Upload. Then let's go over here and find our picture, drag that in, and then it positions it in there, and we can scale that to resize it, move it into whatever position we want. Okay, so there's our test. Now if we want to save this for a reference, maybe we're going to send this to somebody else so they can choose which colors. Let's just take a screenshot. So the keyboard shortcut is Shift-Command-4. Now your mouse turns into a little crosshairs thing, and I can click and drag, and it saves the screenshot there. So it's automatically going to go in my screenshots folder. For you, it probably just shows up on the desktop. Okay, let's see how it looks with a different shirt now, different colored shirt. So we'll still go with t-shirts. And what about light steel? Okay, so that's what it looks like with a gray t-shirt. And then I can do another screenshot, Shift-Command-4. Okay, now what if we wanted, product colors, that's easier. What if we wanted a black t-shirt? This picture is not going to look so great on a black t-shirt. On your computer screen you can still see it, but when it's actually printed you're not going to be able to see that at all. So let me show you real quick how you would change the color of the lion in case you wanted it a different color. So we'll go back here, and I'm going to select, is that it? Yeah. Just going to click on this black area, and in this case it is all one image, so everything that's black is connected. But if you had a different picture that had other parts, that weren't connected, then you might want to do the same thing, select same, fill color, and then everything that is black would be selected. Then down here, I'm going to double click on the black square here, and now I can choose any other color that I want. So if I wanted a bright red, Drag it there, hit OK. Oh, that's not red, that's gray. So because we opened a picture and converted it straight from there, it is not using the full color spectrum. So we need to go Edit Colors, Convert to RGB. So if you have this issue where you can't choose any color besides grayscale, do that. Edit Colors, Convert to RGB. And now if I select it, double click in there, I should be able to choose another color. Okay, so there it is, all red. Then I'll do the same as last time. File, Export for Screens, Lion, let's rename that, Lion Red. Export Artboard. There it is. So let's go back to Custom Ink here. Let's go to Upload. I can click on this thing and get rid of it. Then drag the red one over. Okay, and that's what it would look like with a red line. Let's do a screenshot of that. Shift Command 4. And now if I minimize that, go to my desktop, and we can look at all of our screenshots here. So there's the white one, gray, black with red. So that way you can choose any color of shirt that you want and any color of design that you want. And this is for a logo that's only using one color of ink. Usually if you have more colors than that, the shirt's going to be more expensive, but not necessarily a ton more. So feel free and play around with that. Get some t-shirt designs made. And after this, there's also tons of stuff you could do if you wanted to add text to it, or if you needed to change the logo in some way. But we can get that on another tutorial. All right, last thing that you need to do, let's say you've looked at all these designs and you have decided you really like the black shirt with the red design. So what you'll need to do, first decide which company you want to make the t-shirt. This is assuming you actually want to get it made. If you're just doing it for an assignment, then all you have to do is, save this Illustrator file and turn that in or whatever. But if you actually want to get this made, it depends who's doing it for you. Most graphics companies like it to be an Illustrator file, or the generic version, which is, if you go Save As and do SVG for standard vector graphics. Yeah, this website also allows you to upload .ai files. So that way you'll know that for sure the graphic is big enough. They can resize it themselves to fit the t-shirt. It's not going to have any jagged edges. So let's find this, there it is, there's the .ai file. We'll drag that in. And then we can resize that to the right position. Like that. So most online shirt companies have something like this where you can upload it and put it in the position you want and make it the right size you want. If you wanted it smaller, or if you wanted it on the back of the t-shirt instead, or you can have one graphic on the front, something different on the back, and then go to the order thing. So that's basically it. I hope you have fun making yourself some t-shirts, and these can be great birthday or Christmas presents or anything like that. It's fun making your own stuff like this. So we'll catch you next time. Have a great day.